Conversion Pipeline with a quick edition of digital marketing tips and tricks for you. Today we're going to go through a quick lesson on header tags and how they can just help dial in your site a little bit better for SEO. So I've logged into the admin side of our WordPress website that we're going to use as a sample today, and we're going to navigate to posts, and we're going to pick a post to work on today, and I'm just going to take the most recent one from here, which is Understanding Sedation Dentistry. What, why, and how. So when you get into the admin side, most of your more current WordPress sites will show the block editor. This is one of the newer editors from WordPress. And what we've got are a series of headers. So we've got the main title of the page, and then we've got a couple other headers on down. And with headlines, Google does a pretty good job at figuring out what these are. But you can improve it and make it easier for the crawler to know exactly what it is by just keeping these hierarchically organized, and it makes the crawler understand the organization of the page better, and may just be one more little thing to help get the site showing up in search engines better. So by default, in really almost most themes, not all, but most themes, by default your title tag will be in H1, so we don't have to worry about that too much. But then we want the hierarchy followed. So this next header tag here, you can see right now is set as an H3. That kind of skips one in the hierarchy. So we're just going to change that to an H2. And that's just a simple little thing you can do to create a nice clean hierarchy for the crawler to follow. It sees the main headline, and then it sees the subheadline. It's going to impact the way that this looks. So it'll make it a little bit bigger. If you want to style that, you'll just have to create a rule in your style sheet. But by and large, you'll be able to go in and make these follow the hierarchy and without too much trouble and without having to modify your style sheet. So I'm just going to go through each one, mark them all as H2s, and we're going to be done with that little exercise. Now, there may be cases where you need an H3 or an H4, a sub headline or something like that. You can use them. Most sites, if you're going to write a pretty clean page, you probably won't need to do that. But you can. It's just a best practice to keep things in a nice, tight hierarchy so that the crawler can most easily understand the page. So that's it. That's how to update header tags to make sure that they're nice and clean for crawlers. And it may just be one of those little tiny things that helps dial in your pages for SEO. So we'll catch you on the next digital marketing tip from Conversion Pipeline.